What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Forward Venture. It's Hong once again, and I do apologize for the noise in the background. That is the furnace doing its thing. And today's video is part 2 of my sleeping slash storage conversion over to aluminum extrusion. In my last video, we sort of left off with completing 85% of the rear platform storage. Still some loose ends, and just waiting for the mailman to deliver some materials and some parts so we can actually complete it. For those who are actually new to the channel and is wondering what I'm talking about, you can refer to the previous video linked up here or here to get a better context of what this video is about. So you know what, I'll just give you a quick rundown of the rear storage frame. And again, I do apologize for the noise. So here is the rear storage frame, sort of disassembled, some missing parts here and there, but this is how it looks. Again, this side is for the MAVIC fridge, which slides out that way, and this will be storage drawers for miscellaneous things. Also got 2 pieces of aluminum for the rails. I'm just missing 2 more pieces for up there in the middle to add the sliding rails. In today's video, we will be working on the 40/60 front support panel, where the sleeping platform actually sits on top of. And before we actually move on, I do want to give credit to where it belongs, and that is to my dad for assisting me with cutting most of this aluminum up for this section. He wasn't impressed with my measuring and cutting skills for the rear platform frame, so he decided to give me a helping hand and show off some of his skills. Much love, Dad. Much love. Alright, so in front of me, let me just bring the camera over. I have the 60 seat wood panel and all the aluminum pieces cut and numbered accordingly. All I have to do is just assemble it with these corner brackets with M5 hex screws with locking nuts, which is these little buggers. I have a lot of these to put together. I do have some already set out there, but gonna have to be using a lot of these suckers. Over here I have the 40% seat support panel completed. As you can see, it's sitting on its own. I do eventually want to put some L brackets at the bottom to allow it to, you know, sit snugly on the bottom of the Jeep. But for now, this is how it's gonna look. It doesn't look pretty, but once you put the sleeping platform on top, you won't be able to see most of this anyway, so you know, I don't have to worry about how it looks. Yeah, again, I'm sure there's other ways of making this better and stronger, and right off my head, I could think of squared aluminum, but that is a totally different realm for me. I do not have welding skills or know anyone in the area that could actually help me weld a lot of the aluminum, so this is what I have, so I'm gonna go with this. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to get this all put together, get all my screws sorted out. Just gotta prep them all up and put this together, and we'll take this outside for a fitting. All right, that's it for now. Let's get to work. The frame is finally complete, guys. It took a little bit longer than expected due to fine-tuning the alignment and ensuring all the corners were all 90 degrees, but I got it done. It's sitting right over here. I have it sitting on top of the original wood panel. I got both sides here. Pretty stoked, pretty happy with the outcome. This is solid. There is no rattling, there is no shake, there's no wobble. So it is good to go. The only thing I have left to do is add these corner brackets to make the frame stronger. But unfortunately, I only have one at the moment, and I'll be getting a bunch of these brackets next week sometime. So hopefully the mailman comes earlier than expected. But yeah, I'll be adding these to these corners here, 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 to make this whole frame as strong as it can be once there is weight on top. So the last thing before we head outside to get this test fitted is to do a quick weigh-in. Not going to do a really intensive one. Found my trusty old travel luggage scale. My other ones don't seem to be working at the moment, so this will make do for now. So the first thing we're going to weigh in is the 40% support panel. I got to turn this on. So this wood panel is weighing in at 1.2 kilograms. And I'll take this off. Get the aluminum frame. .74 kilograms. Right, the 60 frame. 60 frame support panel. This is 1.67 kilograms for this guy. And the final piece. Let's see, get this. 1.35. You guys see that? 1.35 for the 60% frame support. So as you can see with a quick weight comparison between the two frames, definitely nothing drastic, but it will do. Any weight reduction within the Jeep is going to help the Jeep in the long run, especially once I start adding the front bumper, the back, the rear bumper, a winch, the fridge, water, food, etc., or a roof rack. Everything is going to add up eventually. So if I can reduce some weight here and there, it's gonna help out big time. So that's it for now, at least for here. I'm going to take out the panels out into the Jeep to test fit and ensure everything is in working order. Then measure out the horizontal support beams. I am short again, so I am waiting for email confirmation to go pick up the aluminum, and once I get that, we can actually complete this portion of the project. Okay guys, we are outside. The sun is setting and the day is almost over, and I'd like to get this video done quickly. It's getting pretty cold. Over here I have the storage platform in place with the cover and these caps that just arrived a few minutes ago. But yeah, so this is working perfectly as intended. Just push down and then just remove. I can get to the tools that I want. And then right here I do have a piece of wood just for demonstration purposes of how sturdy this is, even without the middle support beam. And then over there, I have one side already assembled, but the 60 panel is in place right there. As you can see, I am missing, let me just put this camera down, I am missing the horizontal support pieces right now. I'm short on aluminum, like I mentioned earlier. I'm just waiting for the email confirmation to go pick up just a few more of these. So I'll need 3 more. So one of them is going to go right here, another one's just going to go over here, and then there is 2 more on this side. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Pretty simple, nothing crazy. But let me just get under here and show you how it works. These panels just sit right here against the rear of the front seats. Eventually I do want to anchor it down. There is a bolt right there, the seat bolt, so I'll probably build something to attach it to that bolt to keep it upright straight. And then the panel right now just sits on the corner right here, and there's another corner there that's sitting. So once I get those horizontal aluminum pieces in place, then this is pretty secure. So right now it's a little flimsy, but yeah, again, this is how it looks. I can actually slide things under here now. Originally there was no hole, I couldn't put things through, but now some holes I can extend things under into this little space here. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for now. Just need to get the remainder of the aluminum, get that cut out to 33.5 inches, and then we can put these support beams across, and we are done for this section. Next section is getting this cubby area figured out. I'm not sure how I want to do this. I want to make sure I run the wiring first to the front, as well as sorry, the sun is in the way right now. Again, like I said, you just want to make sure I get all the wiring done and run to the front before I cover this with wood panels or whatever I need to do. But yeah, I gotta figure this out. See, we have all these cables just hanging out here and whatnot. But yeah, that's it for now. So hope you guys hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit a like, subscribe. It does help the channel, and we'll go from there. All right, see you guys.